Hello, all. Welcome to our channel. Any YouTube channel videos, how to share by the Twitter account at a time more than 10 videos option. This is regarding selecting for particular my YouTube channel URL. Twitter sharing purpose, we have the two methods. One is called go to website, create one blogs with a video. We have to enable by one source code option name is called Twitter cards. This you have to enable by the Twitter cards option. This enable, what is the benefit is called? In a website, we can upload for 10 YouTube videos in a one page with one proper image. They can show on your Twitter account with a large image option. Or else, we can direct option will be here. Analytics. This is analytics will be here. In this, sign up Twitter ads. Here is enable for the Twitter cards. If it is not enabled, what we can do? Go through the website, enable Twitter cards, share the link. When share the link, what is happening here? So this is my one. Right now manually add here, copy, paste. Okay, here. The image will showing with the large image option. When it is possible, when adding for this Twitter cards option. This video already available. Just enter by the Twitter cards by digital location YouTube. The video will be eligible. You can see the code and just here only one thing change. Code three line will be same. All will be same. Only you can change by your Twitter username. What are your Twitter username that you can change will be here in two places. Twitter site, Twitter creator. Now, here is option. Right now, using Twitter cards as enter promoting videos, compose. First of all, title. Like I can writing will be another time. Single image, add media. I have to little bit change image. Same image will be people also will getting bored. Here it is. Other some image will be here. You can select by that also will be here. Save. You may upload it. When coming to scroll down, web link, writing here, headline, small correction in my link. Why it is showing will be here. Question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. Here remove the promote only. What are the text you have to share here? Copy. But this much of content will not accepting for in your particular Twitter account. Click for tweet. Done. After tweet will be here. Go to Twitter account profile. Now you can see this. If I'm click this link, just 8 seconds back, they go to enter my YouTube channel option. And they're visible by the customers. The showing one pop option is called subscriber channel. So subscriber channel purpose, we had to use option name is called after channel question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. This is the complete will be here. One is called website we can share by the with using Twitter card with a large image on Twitter or else using for Twitter cards. When it is eligible for Twitter cards on your post on Twitter, when they will accept based on your posting, they will accept will be your Twitter cards option. So same like that, you can posting for a number of posts. There's no limit will be here that you can add will be in this particular option. Those you can show your particular profile thing. So which is your pin post, pin your profile. So this will be changing for my pin post option. Is it clear? So this is the way we can market on your YouTube videos on using Twitter account. If any further question, contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.